Lego boy, and I'm going to do a video of my homemade, handmade wooden MTT. And it's built by my grandpa. So to start off, there's the driving seat. There's a battle droid driving the MTT, and there's a mirror here. And there's some detail on here, and there's 2 Lego pilot battle droids waiting for their turn. And then this cockpit, there's General Grievous Lego. And there's also 2 guns here that can move. So if there's an emergency, they can shoot. And there's this is the leader, and this is a regular battle droid. And all the tall battle droids my grandpa made. And then here, the little cockpits with droidicas in them. And there's also pegs here where you can put droids on them. And there's hooks back here. This blue one works the best. I did one with that guy a few minutes ago, but it's not during the video. And my grandpa made all the tall droids. And there's 2 blasters here. And in here, there are all the droids. They just stay there, and then when it's ready for battle, they come out. These can come out fully, so then they can get off easier. And I think there's 8 droids all together. And there are wheels on it, so it can move easy. Just so I can off of those 2. And there's one last thing. The next video, I will be doing my droid army over there. And over there. And that was my video. Thanks for watching.